Be sure to check out the description for timestamps if you want to skip to a specific part of the dorm tour. But first, I just wanted to show you what you would expect as you move into the Segundo area. After checking out a blue cart by Reagan, Maine, you can bring your stuff over to your building. And now, here's what you were all waiting for. The built-in drawers are surprisingly deep and fit a lot of clothes. Not to encourage you to overpack or anything though. I am aware that certain buildings have the extra shelving on the side by the door, which meant that the extra space was wider, but this is what we had. In addition to being able to extend the length of the table, there was a sliding side table available too, which came in handy as well. And now I'm showing how I utilized the dorm space a bit more with the foldable shoe rack. I'll mention this more towards the end of the video. The multi-purpose 3-tier rack seems like a dorm college favorite, and I'd have to agree. It really came in handy. I have to pause here to note that all but the accessible stall were very tight spaces, to the point where they cut off a triangle of the door to ensure it wouldn't hit the toilet seat. This shower stall had a shared drain, but the other two did not, with a total of 4 shower stalls. Sometimes it would be annoying because if someone else was showering in the stall next to you, water would splash over to your side. Now this is the lounge where your CA might host events and you can hang out in here as well. Laundry room time! So we got new laundry machines in the middle of the year, but it didn't make much of a difference for us. For reference, it's $1.50 for a wash and another $1.50 to dry. Hopefully it's still the same prices. So, move-in update, I just finished dinner with my family. We went to Raising Cane's in downtown Davis, and now we're going to be trying to unpack some stuff so I can get ready to shower. But before I do that, I need to prepare things for post-shower, pre-shower, getting all my shower caddy ready, and also my shoe rack that I got from IKEA. So I'm gonna use this so I have somewhere to dry my shower shoes after I use them. And yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I have the luggage down on the floor and I'm getting ready to unpack. So let's do it together. I also extended my desk out a little bit, so I have it's super long, longer than my arm fan. Oh my god, there's a thing that says telling people not to sit on it. Yeah, so it's just gonna lay down. Oh look, it says that you can stack them together for not 4 but 3. That's cool. I brought a little rug so I can take off my shoes in that area. I thought that would be cute. So part of my unpacking process, I have some drawers. Well, this is not my side, but it's basically the same thing. I have hangers here so I can put any jackets, and then I'm gonna put some stuff in the drawers, more regular pants and shirts and stuff like that. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions.